My goodness, look at all of the organizer bins that came with my DreamBox. I am just so excited. I really hope that I don't fill them all up because I don't think I have that many supplies, but you never know. I'm just trying to think of ahead of time of how I'm gonna do this, and I'll probably stream my organization process. We can plan it all out together. I think that will be a lot of fun. The bins, there are 3 sizes, and then those jars on top, which are going to be so useful. And there are so many of each. They each have their own really nice place in the DreamBox. I feel like I'm gonna have some really great glitter blends for those bins. But here's one of the smaller bins. You can see the different areas for putting in dividers. And these are the 2 dividers, the sizes that come with it. The smaller ones will work with those other bins. But yeah, those jars are really big. They're gonna be able to hold some awesome stuff. And I am just so excited. It comes with these large bins that are also in the DreamCart, and I think they'll be great for papers, finished products, molds. Come check me out on stream and we'll figure this out together.